If you've ever had a keyboard with a broken stand, you know how frustrating it can be to type with it. Fortunately, with Bondic, you can quickly and easily fix your keyboard stand and get back to typing comfortably. Step 1. Clean the broken area. First, you'll want to make sure the broken area of your keyboard stand is clean and free of any debris. This will help ensure that the Bondic will adhere properly to the plastic. Step 2. Apply Bondic. Next, take your Bondic liquid plastic welder and apply a small amount to the broken area of the keyboard stand. Be sure to follow the instructions on the Bondic packaging for best results. Step 3. Cure the Bondic. Once you've applied the Bondic, you'll want to cure it using the included UV light. Hold the light about 1/4 inch away from the Bondic for about 4 seconds. You may need to do this a few times to fully cure the plastic. Step 4. Check the repair. After the Bondic has cured, check to make sure the repair is strong and stable. You should now be able to use your keyboard with the repaired stand. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to fix a broken keyboard stand using Bondic. This versatile adhesive is great for all kinds of DIY projects, so be sure to keep it handy in your toolbox. Buy now at notaglue.com.